Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with 14 trades. Today's date is October the 24th and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. This is the Super Scalper here, this blue and yellow line, and of course I have the Super Signal Indicator, that's the arrows, the blue and red arrows. Now this Super Signal Indicator, it's great for helping traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute or even the 15-minute time frame. It helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles. As far as I'm concerned, after more than 10,000 indicators, this is one of the best ones I ever came across. And this, as of today, well, as of now anyhow, is my best trading system. It's called the Super Scalper System and it has with the Super Signal Indicator. So every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer getting ready to trade the New York session. I'm looking at all the different instruments and I'm looking at my daily trade plan. Now here is the daily trade plan. It's running in real time. This EA, it's an EA in the expert advisor, and it will give signals whether you should be selling. Some of them are even preferred bullish or bearish. It is preset for day trading, but if you are a swing trader or a position trader, you can change the settings. Now, if you have any questions regarding the daily trade plan, well, just Skype me, and there is a link right below this video. All you have to do is click on it, and we will have a Skype connection. Now, as you can see, I took all the trades around 7:15, and I closed them all out. Just looks like around 10 a.m. or a little bit after that. And it's exactly 10:30 in the morning, New York time, as I'm doing this video, and I'm done trading for the day. Of course, you can trade all day long, all 3 sessions. If the market is open, you can trade it. But obviously, there's some better times than other times to be trading the market. I teach all of those secrets within the training videos. So the first one right here, took a small loss on it, but if I would have hung around a little bit longer, it would have turned into a winning trade. So let's see where I got in at. Remember, got in here, and if I was still in the trade right now, I'd be up quite a bit. But I had my stop a little bit too tight, and sometimes things like that happen. And so I was stopped out. The calculator says I lost 20, so that would be a negative. There it is right there, minus 20 ticks, and that's why you see a negative $100. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the Euro Yen. This one I wanted to be selling. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Everything looking good for going down. Took the trade. Right at this cursor. Did one more cycle and then it went down. That's the way the market moves. Doesn't go straight up or down. It goes in cycles. Looks like I made 18 pips on this trade, and those 18 pips paid out $126. Moving along to the next trade, which is the Euro New Zealand. Now in this trade, wanted to be selling it. Did qualify for a great way to trade. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. I knew it was going to go down with about a 95% certainty. But I just have to, just wait around. It's a waiting game. You can just put in a trade and then you wait. And I close it out at this cursor right here. Looks like with about 23 pips. And those 23 pips paid out $134. Okay, let's take a look at the next trade, the euro dollar. Now on this euro dollar, it pays $10 for each pip because of the USDs on the right hand side. So let's see where I got in at. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Looking at the money, well, this should be 18 pips. And let's go and find those 18 pips. There it is right there. And those 18 pips paid out $180. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. Now I took the trade at this cursor right here. And let's see, close it out at this position, locking in about 30 pips. And those pips paid $190. Moving along to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. On the dollar CAD here, this one I wanted to be buying. The scalper was blue. Daily trade plan was blue. So let's see where I got in at. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn how to trade. But just to let you know, it took me around 700 packages or systems and more than 8 years to learn. But if you keep at it long enough, you will have great trading days like I have every day. Got in at that cursor, I closed it out up here, looks like with about 29. And those 29 pips paid out $218. Moving along to the next trade, which is the pound Swiss. Another one. Wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. The scalper was yellow. A lot of things saying, especially down at the bottom, a lot of things were saying to sell. And I closed it out at this cursor with 28 pips. And all those pips paid out $324. Moving along to the next trade, which is the pound New Zealand. Wanted to be selling it. Daily trade plan, scalper, super signal was right here. So a lot of things saying to sell. Let's see where I got in at. Super signal here. So on the next candle, took the trade. And I closed it out just being happy, locking in about, looks like 57 pips. And those pips paid $333. Moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. Now in the NASDAQ, it pays $20 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 20. And calculator says it should be 18, actually 18.2. So let's go and see, find those 18 ticks. Got in here, did a bit of a cycle, one more, and then it finally went up, as I knew it would go up. There it is right there. You remove the last 2 digits, so it's 18 ticks, paying out $364. Moving on to the next trade, pound yen. Now on the pound yen, wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal here and here, saying to sell. So let's see where I got in at. Waited for a bit of a pullback. I knew it was going to go down. Took the trade at that cursor, closed it out being happy with 57 pips, and that paid out $380. Moving along to the next trade, pound Aussie. Wanted to be selling it. There's the daily trade plan saying to sell, the white arrow. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Right here. Super signal was right here. Super scalper was right from here. So easy decision to make. Took the trade at that cursor and I closed it out at this cursor, just being happy. Looks like with 62 pips, and those pips paid out $400. Moving along to the next trade, which is the pound dollar. Now on the pound dollar, because the USD is on the right hand side, same as the euro dollar, pays $10 for each pip. So let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling from the daily trade plan. The super signal was right here. Super scalper was saying to sell from way back here. See how powerful my system is? Super scalper, super signal. If you took the trade right here, down to here is over 100 pips. Lot of money here. Well, depending on your, one standard lot is quite a bit. So let's see now. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out being happy with, and looking at the money, this should be 45. There it is right there, 45 pips paying out $450. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. This one pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 5, and the calculator says it should be 107. So let's see if we can find all those ticks. Got in right here. Super signal was here and here. So if you would have caught this cycle, the beginning of this cycle would have been a lot more. Let's see, from here up to there is 247. I got in here and I closed it out, just being happy as usual. Trading should make you happy. And what did I say? It was 107. There it is right there, 107 ticks. That paid out $535. Moving on to the next trade. Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money here, this should be 66. So let's see, Russell. Let's go pull up the charts. Bring in the blue box properly here. Let's drag and drop this up. See where I got in at. So the beginning of the cycle started right here, and that's producing 160 ticks, and I got in here and I was catching the middle of that run, so it should be 66. You should see there it is right there, 66 ticks paying out $660. So another great day of trading using my super scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200. Well, looking at the money here, I know it's going to be over 400. Grand total today came out to be 578 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $4,197. So if your trading is not producing great results like this, well, I recommend you getting in touch with me. And if you're really serious about your trading and you want to become a successful trader, I have helped lots of traders find success. All you got to do is get in contact with me. Keep in mind that you're going to need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education, and don't forget you're going to need a daily trade plan. Now, you should be getting your hands on more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now, if you leave your name and email, I will put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy, quite simple, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Now if you look right below this video, you'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now I do advertise 4 different packages. I recommend you getting all 4 packages. And I do have a special offer. I show one of them below this video. I do have a grand total of 4 special limited time offers. And if you want a 50% discount, well, all you got to do is get in contact with me. So it's a little bit longer than usual video. I wanted to show you that I can trade a lot every day, or I can trade less and still make huge returns. So anyhow, it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.